Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree, where we demystify math problems for you step by step. In this video, we have an AP Precalculus type of a question from the topic of polynomial functions and behavior. Let's solve it together. The function j of x equals negative x to the power of 4 plus 10 times x squared minus 25. What is the end behavior of j? First, let's recall that the end behavior of a polynomial function is influenced primarily by the term with the highest degree, which in this case is negative x to the power of 4. Now let's understand how the leading term, negative x to the power of 4, dictates the behavior as x approaches positive infinity and negative infinity. And negative x to the power of 4. As x approaches the positive infinity, I'm going to substitute positive for the x to the 4. So positive to the 4 is positive, and negative times positive is negative. And here, when I substitute negative for the x, negative to the power of 4 is still positive because it's even number. Negative times positive is negative. So in both cases, as x approaches positive infinity, the function j approaches the negative infinity. And as x approaches the negative infinity, the function j approaches still negative infinity. So because of that, when you look at the choices, the choice B is the answer for this question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you. Have a good one. Bye-bye.